Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a free online website which will help you make $1 per minute. Go to surveytime.io. As you can see, you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. Scroll down and then you will see how SurveyTime works. If you're looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you've reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. Sign up for SurveyTime for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get instant cash out for your $1 reward. You can read different notes on why you should use SurveyTime. First, SurveyTime has no withdrawal threshold. Once you complete a survey, you get paid for it almost instantly. There's no points system. Complete a survey, choose a reward, and cash out by choosing your preferred gift card. Also, you can never miss a new survey. Second, SurveyTime keeps you updated. We make sure to notify you, in your preferred method, whenever we have a new relevant survey for you, so you'll never miss out on a chance to complete surveys for money. Third, choose your reward. Do you prefer PayPal, Amazon, or maybe Target? With SurveyTime you can earn gift cards for your favorite brands. Not all gift cards options are available outside the US. Fourth, SurveyTime offers you the most relevant surveys. We match our surveys to your interests, based on your answers in our introductory survey. This increases your chances of completing more surveys and earning cash from surveys. Next, on SurveyTime, all surveys were born equal. Whether the survey took you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you're in the Philippines or the US, if you complete the survey you'll get rewarded with $1. Lastly, you can take surveys for money from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are, if you successfully complete a survey, you instantly get paid $1. After knowing all details about how SurveyTime works, it's time to create an account for you. Scroll up and sign up with Google, Facebook, or sign up with email. After that you will be redirected to this page where you have to answer few questions so that they can match you with the most relevant surveys for you. Click on Start Now. And then fill your first question, which is your birth date. Click on Next. Select your gender. Read instructions and tick that box that says I understand and click on Continue. You need to choose now the way you like to be paid, or you can decide later, then click on Next. And then you will continue to answer all available questions so that you can join SurveyTime, and then after the system will find surveys that match your profile so that you can complete them and earn money. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.